Hi, and thank you for visiting my site today. My name is Charlie Santos with the Santos team and Coldwell Banker. We are Central Florida's leading short sale team. I would like to give you a brief overview of my short sale calculator. It's a very easy two-step process. In step 1, you will need to enter your property's information, the street address, city, state, and zip code. Then click on the Find My House button. This will then take you to step 2, where you will enter your name and contact info. More importantly, your remaining mortgage balance, the interest rate, and monthly payments. A report will then be generated and emailed to you within minutes based on the information that you have provided. This report will show you the total cost over time you will incur, as well as how long it will be before your home becomes an asset once again. The report will also give you 3 types of appreciation rate scenarios: an average appreciation, an aggressive appreciation, and a slow appreciation rate. Now, my team specializes in helping homeowners who are substantially upside down on their home. When your home is at stake, know your options. You owe it to yourself and your family. My name is Charlie Santos with the Santos team. Feel free to contact me direct with any questions at 407-832-7295. Thank you.